Hey guys, it's me, Jan, CEO of Acquire.Fi. Welcome to the latest crypto news. First of all, let's begin some bullish news on our own investments. So Trailblaze that we invested on, I think 2-3 months ago, is finally getting out there with their own token. People who don't know what Trailblaze is a Web3 launchpad or a decentralized launchpad. Behind them is Mighty Labs, and Mighty Labs was actually a marketing agency before, or a big one. And I feel very bullish because there's a lot of good people behind this project. And also, I've seen some of the projects that they're going to be launching. So I'm going to be very happy with my bag. But yesterday, they basically got sold out in NG Starter. And people who don't know, we at Acquire.Fi, we are investing in seed and pre-seed rounds and angel rounds, and we offer these things to you guys so you guys can also participate in these deals. Now we invested in a 0.09 and we basically already doubled here, but I'm long-term bullish on what they built and I'm going to be following them quite closely. But yeah, congrats to everyone in our community that invested. We are already up, so that's very good. So on another note, on related to Bitcoin, medtech stock Semler Scientific, they basically bought now Bitcoin in their balance book or treasury, and they have seen their stock basically surge almost 40%. And I see this happening more and more. Like there was one Japanese company doing this. Now there are more companies doing the same exact book like MicroStrategy. This is super bullish for Bitcoin, like super bullish. Like we are already eating around 2000 BTC per day. And like there's not enough BTC to be produced at the moment. So we are in a supply shock, and that supply shock will come eventually quite hard. But also, this is pretty funny. Like the Google Trend search volume on Semler Scientific, they had nothing. No one has been searching them for a while. And once they bought BTC, oh man, they have been searching like hell. And I think a lot more people and companies will do this, and especially CEOs. Like if you have a big balance book of dollars or other currencies, I think it's a great way to hedge your currency inflation. Like a very good way of hedging. And I see this more and more happening. So this is very bullish. Then on another note, I don't think a lot of people understand like how big this is, but there's something that BlackRock did, and they actually added to the Strategic Income Opportunities Portfolio (BTC). Now they have been very careful what they put in this portfolio, and adding BTC there is super bullish. And this is just the start. And I think the overall AUM of this fund is like $35 billion. So if they just added 4.1 million. I think in the future they will add more. And again, this is very bullish. A lot of good news happening overall, but we haven't really seen anything on the price movement. And I think like I covered yesterday, we still have some empty GOX BTC to sale, but I don't think that's going to happen that much. Like I think most of it has been sold already. We're still following my crazy lines here. Accumulation is happening, and like the more people are understanding like, hey, Bitcoin is the perfect hedge for inflation and against fiat currencies, the more we're going to see a supply shock happening. So yeah, very exciting news, very good thing for the industry itself. And I think overall, if you look at the altcoins here, still going a little bit up. I wouldn't say still that we are on a bull run, like crazy bull run, but we are definitely coming there. June, I expect that it's going to be quite slow, but if we see more and more companies taking Bitcoin in their balance sheet and more bullish news happening, we might see earlier these major runs happen. But yeah, pretty exciting times. On another note, I want to talk about some secondaries that we got in yesterday. So Polyhedra, that has been launched, and that's one of the, let's say, most popular ZK technologies out there. we have started to see quite a lot of OTC happen. And at the moment, if you are a polyhedra bullish guy, or you are believing in polyhedra, we do have now for sale quite a lot of size, minus 50% from the spot. And I think overall, it might be a good strategy here if there's big buyers watching this news to buy it and basically to hedge it. Because what I saw or seen is that OKX has actually perps. And what you could basically do, you could buy these SAFTs or tokens for minus 50%. They do have a vesting and cliff schedule still, but you could actually make a short position and hedge your position. So you could actually play on the minus 50% and hedge your position and take that middle part. So that would be called the yield. And this is very normal strategies by hedge funds and perp companies. They usually do this. They buy for cheap these SAFT and saves, and then they take short positions or long positions depending on their position, and then they play on the yield. So that's pretty exciting. And overall, I wanted to show you some behind the scenes stuff, but we've been starting to see quite a lot of traffic. We have now almost 220 people visiting us daily, which is kind of astonishing. So a big thank to the community. I think there's a lot of things still happening. And I hope in the end of the next month or during beginning of next month to announce some new things. Hopefully you guys stays doing a lot of positive things happen in the market again. I'm going to be making a new video tomorrow again. Stay tuned, like, and share this video. Thank you.